everyone, good morning at good evening po sa ating lahat. Muli po ay nandito po ako para magbahagi ng panibagong recipe at sana po magustuhan nyo ito. Today's week recipe is about chips. Tama po ang narinig nyo, it's about chips. So we will be doing tortillas chips. Sa recipe pong ito, pwede po kayong gumamit ng any chips. Ako po, I use Mr. Chips cheese flavor. Bago po natin umpisahan ang ating recipe, ako nga po pala si Ankim and Kath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Para updated kayo sa aking mga videos at sa mga upcoming videos ko pa, please don't forget to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Today's recipe, I will be sharing with you guys a nachos recipe. This easy nachos recipe is a classical appetizer of tortillas chips. The fun of making homemade nachos recipe is getting to customize them exactly as you like. You can use any meat like beef, chicken, or pork. Ako po kasi ay ginamit ko minced pork. This recipe is very flexible. You can use anything kung ano po yung available sa inyo. So give this recipe a try and feel free to add anything. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Simulan na natin. Let's start making this nachos recipe. This nachos recipe is a classical appetizer of tortillas chips, topped with ground meat or minced meat, and all your favorite toppings. Learn how to make the best homemade nachos. This loaded nachos as good as it gets. Every bite has the perfect blend of crispy, creamy texture, spicy flavor, and tangy. Serve them as a party appetizer, pulutan, or even snack while watching movie. guys for staying with me until the end. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo itong recipe ko today. Please like, share, and subscribe. The complete list of this recipe is in the description below. Hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye!